Hello, welcome to Dr. Ashish Parnani YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Ashish Parnani. Welcome to you everyone in this special video. Today we are going to learn about how you can make an amazing, great professional training career. Yes, I'm a professional trainer. It's almost 10 years into professional training and coaching industry, and by God's grace it has been lovely experience. Yes, lot of challenges, a roller coaster ride in few of the months and year, especially during COVID time, but it has been an amazing year, amazing journey. In almost 10 years I'll be finishing next year. So almost now 10 years of my journey and experience, I'm going to share with you that how you can start, especially start your professional training career or your journey. So this is for freshers or people who are, let's say, yet started or planning to start as a professional trainer. So I want to start with few tips. Number one, let's start with number one, very important thing, how you can do it. If you are new, I would request you to please go through a good, validated, a genuine certification. Now, many of you would say that certification is not important, not needed, experience is important, or skills are important. Yes, absolutely. That could be there. That is a possibility. That is also right. But my dear friend, please answer me this one thing. If you go for any job, HR or the employer see your CV or a resume, right? If you're going for a sales manager job or if you're going for a accountant job, what they do, they see your CV or a resume, and every CV or a resume has one thing, that is educational qualification, isn't it? So you might have a BCom or a BBA or an MBA or an AMCom, other degrees, right? Same way, if you have those degrees or other things, why not having a certification in training domain? Think about it. If you are entering into training domain and if there are genuine organization who can help you in getting certified and qualified, why not? And let me tell you, if you ask 10 companies, I would say that 9 companies out of 10 would ask certification from you. Are you a qualified trainer or not? So please get a valid certification. If you need help, Skillua would love to help. We are an American Council of Training and Development accredited organization. I'm a founder and director of Skillua. So we would love to help you if you want to get certified and get qualified. So this is the very important tip. I would say this is not the mandatory for most of the people, but for maximum, this is the very important thing. I am certified. I've done a couple of certification in 2015, then 2017, then I did my PhD again in training and development. So you can understand that I've understood the importance of qualification and certification. I have done that. I have rewarded for that, and I'm very sure that you will be rewarded too for it if you work in that part. So save some money, plan for it, and do it from anywhere. If you need Skillua's hand, Skillua's help, we would love to help you. So this is number one thing, the basic thing that you can start from. What is number two? The number two thing is your knowledge and your continuous development. Let's say once you have finished your certification, that's not it. Please don't think that it's, I've done the certification, now I'll get a job or I'll get a freelancing assignment or something like this. Not at all. This is majorly not going to happen. You have to work for it. So while you are not getting a job or while you are trying for a job or trying for freelancing also, please continue to learn about L&D. Continue to upgrade yourself. If you enroll for free courses, do that. If you attend some webinars in your domain area, please do that. Have a wonderful knowledge in your domain area. If you are a communication skills trainer, be one of the masters in communication skills trainer. If you are a leadership trainer, be one of the masters, especially in your city or let's say in your state, in that particular field. Any trainer you are, your knowledge and your continuous learning in that field is absolutely important. That is one of the very, very important thing which will help you to start and also accelerate your training career. So this is thing that you can start working on. And let me tell you, it will bear a lot of fruit and amazing sweet fruit for you in the future as well. So second thing, your knowledge and your continuous learning or development in your niche area or your domain area. Number three, what you can do. please start trying for freelancing assignment or do something on your own. Yes, start your own webinar. Gain some confidence, speaking delivery confidence. You don't have any experience of training delivery, and let's say you are just waiting for the opportunity. Let me tell you, my dear friend, opportunity may not come. You have to grab the opportunity. You have resources nowadays. You might have 5, 10 friends or 20 people in your organization, or let's say a circle of friends, or you may be a part of some community groups. Start your own webinar. Invite them. Free of cost webinar. Let them come. You will gain some confidence. It would be a good practice for you. And then whenever you go for a full-time job or you get any part-time assignment or freelancing project, you can share your experience with them. You will be much more better, much more matured by then. And along with that, please go for some freelancing opportunities. Apply on Naukri.com, Shine.com, TimesJob, LinkedIn also. There are a lot of opportunities coming daily basis. So this is very important thing that you have to do. Next one is one of the important thing. Please have a mentor or a coach who can guide you how to start and go about your training career. You need a genuine mentor or a coach who can guide you in this journey, an experienced person. If you need my help, please give me a call, please WhatsApp me. I would love to hear from you, and if I can guide you or help you out, I would love to. Especially let's say for next 2 to 3 years, till the time you understand how the L&D industry works, or let's say till the time you get a job. But mentorship is for a long term. It's endless time. If you can have a mentor for a longer term, that's great. So these are the few tips, few important things that can help you how you can start your training journey and as a professional trainer. So please implement these things. If you would like to know anything else, please leave a comment or contact me through WhatsApp. My number is on the YouTube channel, or you can email me. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and share it to your all new training friends who want to enter into training industry or who want to make it big. Thank you so much once again. I'll see you till next time.